And then it's a fucking BMX. That's the point. You know?
What is the entry level wheel?
That's what I'm saying.
Is that what, $200?
But I mean, I'm still entry level, right?
Yeah, but I mean...
Or am I getting like up there?
Well, you're definitely getting up there.
Alright, let's film this shit. So first things first, if I sound a little out of energy, it's because I'm tired as fuck. But, so you guys been asking for an updated bike check, so I decided to actually make one for you guys, for the new subscribers and just the people that have been asking me for it. So that's what I'm finna do now. I'm gonna just start right off the bat. So we got Sean Ricani grips. These are literally the best grips I've ever ridden in my entire life. And then, or in my entire 6 months of riding, or 7. And then these are the Eric L. Stranger bars in a 9.75 rise and a 28.5 width. So they come pre-cut, which is pretty cool. There's a Cold Salvation stem down here. It's 53mm reach and a 32mm rise. So it's pretty high, and I kind of like that. But I might try to switch things up for the next build. Oh wait, they don't know about that yet. Colt headset, except that the guy behind the camera lost it. Colt Sect IC forks. I don't know what millimeter it is, but they look pretty steep. In front, we have the Colt Crew wheel, which is the complete wheel that Colt offers aftermarket. From there, we have a Federal bottom bracket, which I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, there it is. Federal bottom bracket. And then we got a Shadow Conspiracy half-link interlock chain. What the fuck is it? It's a Supreme interlock chain, something like that. And then we have the Eric L. guarded sprocket and a 28 tooth. If you run anything other than that, you're a weirdo. Then we got the Colt Hawk cranks in 165mm. Pretty good cranks, can't complain. I just hate the fact that you need that one tool to put them on. Then we have the Colt DAG pedals, pretty good pedals. It's just a pedal, nothing crazy. And then in the back, we have a Stranger Crux XL V2 cassette wheel. This is a complete wheel from Stranger. Honestly, I don't want to bash on Stranger. I fuck with Stranger and I fuck with what they're doing. But I've had a lot of complications with these spokes in this rim, so. But other than that, we have 2 Colt Vans tires, literally my favorite tires ever that I've ever ridden. And I haven't ridden many, but these off the top, I have nothing to complain about. They're stupid grippy, they're fat, they're 2.4, and they're just all around a really good tire. And they're all terrain, which is cool too. Then, besides that, we have a Primo binary PL pegs and a 4.5 inches, right? Yeah, 4.5 inches, 4 of them. That one is pretty fucked up in the front. And we have Primo hub guards and Colt hub guards in the front. And then up here we have a Stranger prototype seat. The seat was never released, I don't know why, but it's a pretty cool seat. I actually fuck with it heavy. And then we have, I don't know what seat post this is, but it's pretty fucked up now. And I actually probably have to paint that soon. Probably should paint that soon. And then for the heart of the whole bike, or the body itself, we have the Stranger piston frame in a 20.75 top two, and then 12.8 center chainstay, along with the 75.5 degree head tube. This frame is so responsive, so nice. I would say lightweight, but it's really not. You know, this shit weighs 5.4 pounds.
Damn, that's kind of heavy.
That's fucking heavy. I didn't know that, but it's a pretty good frame. I actually like how responsive it is. I like the twitchiness to it, and yeah, it's a pretty dope frame. That's basically it. To all of you guys that don't know what I've been riding, to all of you guys that wanted an update on what I've been riding, because I have gotten new parts ever since that last video, and to all the new subscribers, this is my build, and this is what I'm currently riding. Yeah, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.